Have you ever noticed how some things grow steadily, step by step, while others seem to explode overnight? Mathematics has a language for this. It's all about sequences, an ordered list of numbers following a hidden rule. First, there's the arithmetic sequence. Think of it as predictable, linear growth. You add the same amount each time. Imagine the sequence starting with 5, then 8, 11, 14. You're consistently adding 3. That constant step is called the common difference. With a simple formula, you can find the 10th term is 32, without needing to list every single number in between. It's steady, reliable, and follows a straight line. But then there's geometric growth, which is exponential. Instead of adding, you multiply by the same number each time. This is the logic behind compound interest. If you start with $2 and triple it, you get 6. Triple it again, you get 18. By the 8th step, you'd have over $4,000. This is explosive growth, driven by a common ratio. So what happens when you want to find the total sum of all these numbers? That's called a series. And again, elegant formulas save you from the tedious task of adding everything up manually. Here's where it gets really interesting. Sometimes you can add up an infinite number of terms and get a finite, concrete answer. Consider the sequence 1/2, 1/4, 1/8. Each term is 1/3 of the last. Because the terms shrink so rapidly, the infinite sum doesn't fly off to infinity. It actually converges to a single neat number, 18. These patterns are everywhere, from your bank account to physics. The first step is always just to spot the rule. Is it constant addition or constant multiplication? Once you know that, you've unlocked the key.